Hello everyone, it's me Rajendra and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Rajendra. Today in this video we are going to learn about on downloading and installing Python in your computer. For that you need to open web browser. Here I am using Google Chrome as my web browser. You can use any other web browser that you like or you can use Google Chrome as well. Here you need to type python .org in the address bar of your web browser and hit the enter. When you hit the enter button, the Python website opens like this, and here are several options. Among them you can see downloads. You need to click on this downloads option, and when you click on downloads, you can see the current latest version of Python, that is Python 3.13.1, and you can see if you need to download Python for Windows, you can directly click over here. But if you need to download for Linux, Macs, or other, you can simply click over there. As you see, I'm using Windows operating system, so I'll just click over here, download Python 3.1, this option, and when I just click over there, the download process begins. And you can, when the download is completed, you can see that the downloaded file is located at the downloads. Now I'm going to navigate through the downloads, and here you can see that Python has already downloaded, and you need to run this exe file. You need to run means you need to open this exe file. You can simply double click in this file and you can see that the Python installation window has opened over here. I'm going to minimize all these windows over here. And okay, let's see here. The Python installation window has come over here, and you can see here two checkbox. You need to check all these two checkboxes, and now you need to click on install now option. Now the Python has started its installation process. It's being installed in my device. Okay, now you can see that the installation has been completed. Here you can see the message setup was successful. Okay, now you can click on close option. Okay, to check whether the Python has installed in your device or not, you can simply check it by just pressing on the start button and type cmd, click on enter and type python python dash dash versn version. You can see Python 3.13.1 version has been installed in your computer. Okay, now I close that in cmd command. You can write Python program using IDLE app. You can open it. It's Python inbuilt IDE. You can open it and you can write Python programs over here. Yeah, okay, I'm just writing print learn with Rajendra, and I'll just hit enter, and this Python code has been executed and it has given learn with Rajendra as output. Simply you can give x is equals to 5, y is equals to 6. You can give print x plus y, it will return 11 as a result. You can hit enter. Yeah, here 11 is the result. That means you can check whether the Python has been installed properly in your computer or not, and you can further save this file using save as options. Okay, this was for today in this video. In next video, we are going to learn about how to download and install VS Code in your device. Thank you.